What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna share you what I learned about Git, like Git commands, how to push our work on GitHub, yeah, that kind of thing. So let's move on to our topic. So first of all, yeah, we wanna create a folder. So I'm gonna create a folder now. Okay, like that. Okay, now sorry, yeah, now let's open our Visual Studio. Okay, now our Visual Studio is open. So let's open our folder. File, open folder, and yeah, this folder. Let's open. Okay, let's create file index.html. Yeah, then we can open our terminal. We can simply press Ctrl and our backtick key, and here we wanna type git in it. Yeah, and the next step is git add yeah, like this command. Then the next step is git commit, and here we wanna type yeah, look on here. Okay, we can type that index.html. Yeah, look, from on the graph we can see, yeah, we added our index.html. And let's create one more file, style.css. Okay, here let's click add. Yeah, we can look our status, like git status. Look, now we have a new file called style.css that we just created before. And now let's type git commit different m and our message, like added by style dot css. Look, now in the graph section we have two, right? Yeah, that's it. And look, if we write anything on our index.html, look, it's in changes, right? So if we wait, git add, wait, we can type big status, yeah, modified index.html, right? So we need to make these changes into stage. Like we can type git add dot and git commit hyphen n and our message, like modified index dot html. Yeah, Now you can see here on the graph, we have modified index.html. Now we wanna push this into our GitHub, right? For that, we wanna uh, enter to the github.com, and yeah, this is my GitHub account. We wanna create a new repository. We can name anything now and just writing the same one that I gave to that folder, and yeah, here nothing need to type. Then let's create our repository. Okay, from here you can see, yeah, push an existing repository for our command line, and now we want to copy this, the first command, and we can paste it here. To paste it, we want to press Control Shift and we for pasting on terminal or copying sentence, we wanna press Shift also. Then only we can copy or paste any lines. Yeah. Now we just uh, pasted this, and now this line. Okay. Now this line. Okay. Now we push on our GitHub. Okay. Now let me reload this page. Yeah, you can see our index.html and style.css is here. And yeah, there's 3 commits that we just written here on the, yeah, look. And if we added anything here, like, wait, okay, look, SyntaxTrip. Okay, look, we just modified index.html now, and let's, okay, this is enough. Then we can look git status. Look, we just modified index.html. Then we can press git add, then git commit hyphen mod added h1 tag to the index.html. Okay, now we wanna look. We can't see any changes in our commit. Look, we just have 3 commit. So we wanna push our scores to the GitHub once more. So we wanna type this command that we used on previous time. Okay. Now if we reload this page, you can see there is 4 pages added h1 tag in the html.css. You can see the changes in the red line. Is On the green line is what changes we made on our code, and the red one is the previous one that we didn't change anything. So, yo, so that's it for today, guys. And it's me, SyntaxTrip, signing off.